Find or read reviews that people are talking about Shlisum wireless HDMI display dongle adapter. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Plug and play. No need to download any apps, drivers, or software. No Wi-Fi connection required, just connect to the HDMI port and open it. Easily cast your phone or laptop to a larger screen with just one click. No messy cables or complicated steps, achieve wireless image transmission. Wide compatibility. Connect your HDMI wireless adapter to most TVs and projectors, allowing you to stream content from your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, including movies. Please note that some paid subscription apps and those with HDCP copyright protection are not supported, such as Netflix, Amazon. Portable size. This wireless HDMI display dongle adapter is lightweight and portable for outdoor presentations. Suitable for laptops, PC, Blu-ray players, cameras, and other HDMI devices. Ideal for meeting rooms, family entertainment, and educational settings. Screen sharing. This wireless HDMI display dongle adapter supports AirPlay mirroring for Apple iOS/Mac and Miracast for Android/Windows. Easily switch between landscape and portrait modes for the best visual experience. Ultra HD resolution. This wireless HDMI display dongle adapter, with 1080p HD resolution, can give you a very good experience whether you are watching a movie, playing a game or making a presentation. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.